Have you ever sensed there's an unseen chapter in your child's individualized education program waiting to be discovered? A chapter that, when read, could completely transform your experience? Think about it. Just one more piece of insight could be that much-needed change in perspective. You're not alone in this. We've sat down and listened to countless parents. Parents who've benefited from IEPs, yet also had moments where they wished, if only I knew this earlier. That's why we're here today, to bring those private, impactful conversations out into the open and share that knowledge directly with you. If you're just stepping into this journey, or if you've been navigating the twists and turns of IEPs for years, the wisdom we're about to share will not only resonate with you, but also arm you with the tools to approach the IEP process more confidently and advocate for your child even better. Ready to hear insights directly from parents who've been through this IEP journey? Stay with me, because we're going to share the 11 most common regrets and lessons from parents who've enrolled their kids in IEP, so you can be well armed with the necessary experience without going through any pain. Now, diving right into it, first and foremost on the list of parents' regrets is not starting sooner. It's a sentiment many parents echo. But why is this regret so widespread? Well, here's the thing. Early intervention is akin to planting a seed in your child's educational journey. Start early, and you give that seed more time to grow. When it comes to struggling children, every moment is precious. When you delay, even by just a few months, it can lead to missed chances for support. Those vital early years in your child's life, they're the golden period for interventions and therapies that can chart a course for success. By not beginning the IEP process soon enough, you might inadvertently put off the essential help your child needs. We all strive for what's best for our kids, don't we? So if you're still on the fence about starting the process, remember, the best time is now. Next up, and coming in a close second, is the regret of not being more informed. Navigating the IEP journey is much like solving a complex maze. From those very first assessments to crafting individual plans, it's all too easy for parents like you to get caught up in its intricacies. In fact, a surprising 8 out of 10 parents often overlook key details. This oversight can lead to feelings of regret, whether it's from not fully grasping their rights, not exploring available services, or not understanding their child's unique needs in depth. For those of you just embarking on the IEP journey, take this as a gentle nudge. It's vital to stay informed and continuously learn. And if you've been navigating the IEP waters for some time, here's a reminder. There's always more beneath the surface of your child's IEP than you might realize. The deeper you delve, the stronger you'll stand as your child's advocate. Quick one. If you find this type of video valuable, please click the like button and subscribe for more insightful content. We also encourage you to share your own experiences or thoughts in the comments section below. Having touched on the importance of staying informed, let's move to another crucial aspect many parents wish they had mastered: the art of being assertive. Did you know that a significant number of parents feel out of their depth during IEP meetings? Imagine this scenario. You're surrounded by educators and specialists, all discussing your child's educational strategies. While these sessions aim to be collaborative, a staggering 7 out of 10 parents, based on various parental feedback, often feel overwhelmed or pushed into the background. Looking back, many wish they had amplified their voices, firmly and assertively championing for specific services or accommodations they felt would make a world of difference. In these situations, assertiveness isn't merely a trait. It's a vital instrument to ensure your child's needs remain the primary focus. From mastering assertiveness, we now venture into a commonly neglected territory that's just as crucial: revisiting the IEP regularly. Have you ever noticed how swiftly children change and grow? Their personalities, their preferences, their academic abilities, they're always in a flux. And while it's a beautiful evolution to witness, it comes with a caveat for parents. the need for regular IEP check-ins. Shockingly, numerous parents hold on to the initial IEP framework for longer than they should. This static approach can eventually result in moments of what if and if only we had updated it sooner. Remember, these periodic IEP reviews aren't mere paperwork. They're essential milestones to ensure the program remains not just up to date, but precisely attuned to your child's ever-evolving needs. Continuing our exploration of the common regrets parents express after enrolling in the IEP process, we uncover that while academic achievements are crucial, they don't capture the full spectrum of a child's growth. This leads us to a regret many parents voice: the narrow focus on academic outcomes, inadvertently overlooking social and emotional needs. The tangibility of academic milestones can sometimes overshadow the less quantifiable but equally vital social and emotional progress. Reflecting back, numerous parents wish they had taken a broader view, ensuring their child not only excels in the classroom, but also thrives socially, cultivating resilience, confidence, and emotional intelligence. Diving deeper into the IEP's nuances, another prevalent regret is not building a collaborative relationship with the school. Beyond the IEP document itself, it's the people and partnerships behind it that truly make a difference. Successful IEPs are often the product of strong bonds between the parents and educators, underpinned by trust, open communication, and mutual respect. In hindsight, many parents feel they should have fostered these connections earlier, realizing that such partnerships can significantly enhance the IEP's impact on the child's holistic growth. Delving deeper into parents' regrets regarding the IEP process, a common oversight many highlight is not ensuring every voice is heard, especially the child's. As kids grow, they become more aware of their own learning experiences. Reflecting on this, many parents wish they had made a greater effort to include the child's perspective in discussions. Their first-hand accounts and insights could have added invaluable depth to the IEP. Turning to the emotional side of the IEP, a significant regret felt by many is the burden of being overwhelmed and not seeking support. The complexities of the IEP can be isolating, and a sentiment shared by numerous parents is a wish they'd reached out sooner to support groups, experienced therapists, or other parents. These connections could have provided comfort and guidance during tough moments. Steering towards the more technical side of IEPs, another regret that surfaces frequently among parents is the oversight of not setting clear goals. Just as a well-drawn map has clear markers to guide travelers, a meticulously crafted IEP should lay out lucid milestones for a child's journey. Looking back, a striking number of parents acknowledge the setbacks of setting nebulous objectives. The most effective IEPs, they've come to realize, pinpoint precise, measurable targets that illuminate the way forward, aligning seamlessly with the broader vision for their child's growth. Next up, but no less crucial, is the realm of available resources. Schools often brim with resources, yet many of these gems remain undiscovered. A recurring pang of regret many parents share is not exploring all available services. The heartache of stumbling upon a service, sometimes too late, that could have been transformative for their child is palpable. It underscores the vital need to stay curious, proactive, and thoroughly informed, ensuring every tool in the arsenal is wielded to shape an IEP that encapsulates the full spectrum of a child's developmental needs. Remember, while these regrets are common, every child and situation is unique. Understand that you are doing the best you can with the knowledge and resources available to you at the time. More importantly, you need to recognize that the IEP alone can't meet all of your child's needs. One of the significant oversights that later become regrets for parents is relying solely on the IEP, hoping it would free up their time. The reality is, for your child to experience the transformation you envision, active involvement is key. this commitment extends beyond merely keeping up with the IEP. What's truly transformative is self-paced, at-home educational therapy, which offers faster and more tailored outcomes compared to generic systems. Now, before you worry about this taking up too much of your time, here's the good news. It requires just 15 minutes a day. So I ask you, would you dedicate just 15 minutes daily to transform your child's life with home educational therapy? If your answer is yes, head over to our website to discover more about the home educational therapy we provide for special kids. And to show how confident we are in our program, we're offering you a chance to try it out for 15 days at no cost. Sounds like a fair deal? Click the link in the description to get started.